Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Google TV streamer remote. So if it's not working or something like that, the first thing we want to do is reset it. So hold down the mute button and the center dial button right here, just like this. And then you'll hear a sound that will count down. So after about 10 seconds, just continue to hold this down. When the sound stops, let go. Now you might look at your TV and it's not connected or anything like that. So what you want to do is flip it around, remove one battery, hold down the home button, and then reinsert that battery. And the light's going to turn on, and you're going to hear a sound, and you're going to be connected to your TV now. So it's very easy to reset like that. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.